Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power cycle the console, and keep it unplugged for 60 seconds to clear transient GPU states. Next, swap to a verified HDMI 2. One cable and try another TV input. This rules out cable or display negotiation. Once done, force the Xbox into the troubleshooting menu using the eject plus bind plus power sequence so you can access display and system repair options. This is the only path that reveals persistent graphics faults. You now change display variables to find the culprit. Set resolution to 1080p or 720p and force a 60Hz or 30Hz refresh rate, because if 4K or high refresh negotiation fails, graphics will glitch. Then disable Auto HDR, Variable Refresh, VRR, and 4K upscaling. These features often trigger handshake errors with some TVs. While doing this, watch for stable output. If the image holds, you've isolated a settings or negotiation problem. You finish by applying the fix. Install the latest offline or online system update to replace corrupted firmware files. If updates fail to restore graphics, perform a console reset, but choose Keep Games and Apps to preserve data. Once reset completes, re-enable features one at a time to confirm stability. If problems persist, try the Xbox on a different TV or monitor to confirm a hardware fault. If the issue follows the console, contact repair. If it stays with the display, replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.